I can do good as well, whatever tad bit that I can do.
It is very necessary to have a very frank counseling.
I think the work that we do, it's very real. You can see that it's sort of answering a very real need.
Inner satisfaction I would get only when I do something which I can start and which I can continue.
A lot of hurdles to cross if you want to sustain yourself in social space.
Every minute is a challenge for us.
Hi, my name is Sudha Krishnan. It's ACE Experiences Asia Private Limited, and the brand we represent is Dialogue in the Dark. There are a lot of NGOs who are training visually impaired people on mobility skills and also train them on how to work on computers, on basic level of working in computers. So they actually helped us in identifying some people. There are websites which are exclusively for the disabled community, like Inclusive Planet. So we had advertised and posted on them. And then the best is, like, once you have the first set of people working for you, after that they will bring the rest. The one advantage is the employment opportunities are not so much so available for the disabled community. So getting a job itself is very, very difficult, and once they get it, they would like to stay with it unless and until they find something better than this. And the only competition or the only industry where I see who's employing disabled community is the government and the public sector banks, and those don't happen day in and day out. It's only when there is a requirement, and the process is also laborious. They need to write a lot of exams, clear many round of interviews, and we are more than happy if people are going to find better jobs and move. There are many people for us waiting in the queue to join and look forward for an opportunity. In fact, I can proudly share in this forum that we had initially 18 people, then we grew to 21, and today we have 7 or 8 people who have moved out of Dialogue in the Dark for better job opportunities. I think at least 4 or 5 of them work for public sector banks. There are 2 of them who work for the government in government colleges as lecturers. Today we are only in the state of Andhra Pradesh with one center, Dialogue in the Dark. We've also come up with a traveling exhibition model. Our aim in the next 5 years is to move into every city of India. To start with, we are looking at moving to Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and then we would like to go to other states as well. Through this traveling exhibition, cover length and breadth of every state, sensitize as many people as possible, train as many visually impaired people as possible, and since we also have a huge corporate traction that happens, because a lot of corporate people who come for team outing, for probably to the exhibition or to the restaurant, or they even participate in the workshop, we would like to use this platform to address and create more employment opportunities outside Dialogue in the Dark.